Have you ever wondered how a mere thought can transform into a tangible reality? How does manifestation work? We're about to dive into the intriguing concept of manifestation, the mysterious process that turns our thoughts into reality. It's more than just wishful thinking or magic. It's a fascinating journey through the power of the mind and the energy that surrounds us. So, buckle up as we explore this concept in depth, using everyday examples. Let us delve into the mystical world of manifestation and its workings. Manifestation, in its simplest form, is creating your reality with your thoughts. It's the idea that through regular, focused thought and feeling, we can change our lives in meaningful and powerful ways. Imagine you're planting a seed. You place it in the ground, water it, and provide it with sunlight. You don't see any immediate changes, but you know that beneath the surface, a process is unfolding. The seed is absorbing the nutrients, starting to sprout, and eventually it will break through the soil and grow into a beautiful plant. This is akin to manifestation. Your thoughts and desires are the seed, and your constant nurturing of these thoughts through focus and emotion allows them to sprout and eventually manifest in your physical reality. Or perhaps consider a time when you've been driving to a crowded location, maybe a popular restaurant or a bustling shopping center, and you start to visualize a perfect parking spot waiting just for you. When you arrive, lo and behold, there it is. This isn't mere coincidence, but rather a potential example of manifestation at work. Your focused thought and expectation helped create that reality. But you may ask, how can thoughts possibly influence physical realities? That's where the power of the mind comes into play. Our brains are constantly emitting waves of energy. These waves are not just random, they're shaped by our thoughts and emotions. This energy interacts with the world around us, influencing the course of events in subtle yet profound ways. It's important to note that manifestation isn't about wishful thinking or blind optimism. It's more than just thinking positively and waiting for good things to happen. It's about aligning our thoughts and emotions with the reality we want to create, and then taking action towards that goal. So, it seems as if our thoughts have a certain power, doesn't it? It may sound fantastical, but there's a scientific explanation to manifestation. Let's delve into the microscopic world where everything begins, the world of atoms. Atoms, the building blocks of all matter, are not just physical entities, but also packets of energy. This concept is rooted in Albert Einstein's groundbreaking equation, E equals mc squared, which tells us that energy and matter are interchangeable. Everything in the universe, including ourselves and our thoughts, is made of atoms, which means they're also energy. Picture your thoughts as a sea of swirling atoms, buzzing and constantly in motion. Now, quantum physics comes into play. In this realm, particles can exist in multiple places at the same time until observed. This is known as superposition. So, the mere act of observing or focusing on a thought can influence its state. This brings us to the law of vibration. This principle suggests that everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, is in a state of constant vibration. We, as human beings, are also vibrating at our own frequencies. Our thoughts and feelings contribute to our unique vibrational signature. When we focus our thoughts with intent, we can potentially influence our vibrational frequency. This is where the concept of manifestation intersects with science. If our thoughts are energy and can influence our vibrational frequency, then it stands to reason that we can use this energy to shape our reality. This is not just about wishful thinking, but about aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of the universe. We're all interconnected in this vast energy field, and our thoughts and intentions send ripples through this field. These ripples can attract experiences and situations that match our vibrational frequency. This is the essence of manifestation. In essence, science doesn't debunk the concept of manifestation, but rather offers an explanation of how our thoughts, being energy, can indeed shape our reality. But how exactly does manifestation work? Is there a method to this seeming magic? To begin unraveling this, imagine manifestation as a three-legged stool. Each leg represents one part of the process: clarity, belief, and action. Remove one and the stool topples. In the same way, each part of the manifestation process is crucial, and they all work together to create the desired result. Let's start with the first leg, clarity. When we talk about clarity and manifestation, we're talking about knowing exactly what you want. It's about having a clear, vivid picture of your desired outcome in your mind. You see, the universe doesn't understand vague requests. It responds to specific, clear, and focused intentions. So, when you're manifesting, make sure you know exactly what you want. The second leg of our manifestation stool is belief. Belief is the fuel that powers the manifestation engine. Without belief, your thoughts and desires are just that, thoughts and desires. But when you truly believe that what you're manifesting is possible, you're effectively communicating with the universe that you're ready for it. You're aligning your energy with the energy of what you want. Finally, the third leg of the stool is action. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting for things to magically appear before your eyes. It's about taking inspired, purposeful action towards your desires. You're not just thinking about what you want, you're actively making moves to bring it into your reality. So there you have it, the mechanics of manifestation. It's not a complicated process, but it does require a commitment to clarity, belief, and action. And remember, this isn't a one and done thing, it's an ongoing process. You need to continually clarify your desires, believe in their possibility, and take action towards them. Manifestation is a process of thought, belief, and action. Let's recap what we've learned about manifestation. It's a fascinating journey that starts with a simple thought and ends with that thought becoming a tangible reality. This process isn't magic, it's simply the power of the human mind, working in tandem with the natural laws of the universe. Manifestation is all about turning our thoughts into reality. It starts with a thought, an idea, or a desire. We mold it, shape it, and give it power. Once we've clearly defined what we want, that's when the magic happens. Our thoughts begin to vibrate, sending out energy into the universe. This brings us to the second key point. Everything, including our thoughts, is made of atoms and energy. We learned that everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, is composed of atoms. These atoms vibrate at different frequencies, and it's this vibration that is perceived as energy. This energy is what connects us to the universe and to each other. When we think a thought, we're not just creating a mental image, we're generating energy. This energy is sent out into the universe, and like a beacon, it attracts similar energy back to us. This is the law of attraction at work. Our third key point is that manifestation works through clarity, belief, and action. Clarity is knowing exactly what you want. Belief is having faith that you can achieve it. And action is taking the necessary steps to make it happen. These three components work together to create a powerful manifestation process. It's important to remember that manifestation isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process. Every thought we think, every word we speak, and every action we take plays a part in the manifestation process. Manifestation is more than a concept. It's a process that we engage in, consciously or unconsciously, every day. So let's use this knowledge, harness the power of our thoughts, and create the reality we desire. After all, the universe is listening. So, what can we take away from this exploration of manifestation? One of the key things we must understand is that our thoughts are not just idle musings. They are potent energy forms radiating out into the universe and playing a significant role in shaping our reality. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, is sending out a wave, interacting with the atoms and energy that make up our world. Understanding this gives us a new perspective on our lives. It empowers us, makes us realize that we are not merely passive observers of our existence. Instead, we are dynamic creators, continuously influencing our reality with our thoughts and emotions. Imagine the possibilities. If we can align our thoughts with our desires, if we can truly believe in our ability to achieve what we want, then we are setting in motion the energy needed to bring about that reality. It's not magic. It's not wishful thinking. It's science. It's the power of manifestation. So, as we go about our daily lives, let's remember this power within us. Let's be mindful of our thoughts, our emotions. Let's put out into the universe what we want to receive back. And let's be patient, for the universe works in its own time, but it always responds. Remember, your thoughts have power. Use them wisely to shape your reality.